Sky. Hey. I said pressure, it's pressure. Now I keep the mental. D-Mark got that heat. I can't do no song with niggas. I don't belong with niggas. Yeah, I did my drum. Let me get it after. What's it? Let me get it after the money.
Crazy.
Money. D-Mark got that heat. Let me do that again. D-Mark got that heat. I can't do no song with niggas. I don't belong with niggas. Yeah, I do my wrongs alone. I hit the road alone. I know that they slept on me. I keep a chrome on me. One up in the dome in me. I'm in my zone, yeah. Yeah, I'm in my zone, yeah. Let me get it all back. It's cap. I say pressure, it's pressure. Yeah, I keep that matter, that's my backup. My niggas do walk-ups, fuck a drive-by. Niggas tryna chit-chat, I can't talk it. I say money, money. I say money, money. I say money, money.
Have it hooked up.
D-Mark got that heat. Let me get it after money. Money. They say that I'm the gold. I got too much pressure. I don't know. I'm gonna blow. That I'm the gold. I got too much pressure. I don't know when I'm gonna blow. I just keep on making hits. I know I'ma be a star. No matter how far I go, my family coming though. My family coming for. I just keep on making hits. I know I'ma be a star. No matter how far I go, my family coming though. Blow up like a rocket. This is the takeoff. I've been grinding hard and this ain't no playoff. I ain't take no day off. I keep a stick and stuff like it's a glue way. I need my money. I need them in all blues. Run at a let me get it from blue. Stuff like it's a glue way. I need my money, I need them in all blues, I ran it up, I had no clue, ran it again, on the E-way. Let me get that again from the blue. The glue way. I need my money, I need them in all blues, I ran it up, I had no clue, I ran it up, E-way we swerving, my flow getting colder, my girl getting bolder, these niggas bold up. I don't do hold up. I need to go away. I hear the play. Came up on KZ. That baby K. This bitch be going crazy. And knock his face off. And knock his face off. I say pressure. It's pressure. Yeah, I keep that matter. That's my backup. My niggas do walk up. Walk up. I ain't tryna chill, chill. I can't talk it. I say money.
Sounds smooth with it, man. You gonna come in and ad-libs with it?
I just keep on making hits. I know I'ma be a star. No matter how far I go, my family coming down. Blow up like a rocket. This is the takeoff. I've been grinding hard.
Oh, he's fighting. Here, say it again without
Like, thank God it's not Detroit shit. Fucking hate doing Detroit. I ain't tryna chit chat. Money.
And Chick-fil-A. I said money. And Chick-fil-A. I'm at the stew.
Yeah, we fucking with it, bro.
Chick-fil-A.
You wanna add a second line of ad-libs, or you just trying to do one? Alright, bro. You wanna come out and listen to it? It hit different on this one that you did, like the one that we're keeping. That came in different than the first few.
I say pressure.
Let's go ahead and stain that.
Stain that real quick.
Nah, just me. You just been here recently, bro. Like
I just record him doing illegal things.
Like shit. Alright, that's what I'm saying. This motherfucking plugin cost me $50, and the send to auto-tune button don't even fucking work.
My left hand just had a seizure while I was trying to... Look, I just... Oh, we're live.
Really made. It's cap.
Yeah, we're in a second.
Illegal to women the only. Ain't no soccer, the chopper got kicked back. Illegal to women the only. Ain't no soccer, the chopper got kicked back. Like a song, yeah, we making that hair, ayy. I hear, ayy, I hear, ayy, I hear, ayy. I hear, ayy, I hear, ayy, I hear, ayy. Illegal to women the only. Ain't no soccer, the chopper got kicked back. Like a song, yeah, we making that hair, ayy. I hear, ayy, I hear, ayy. I hear, ayy, I hear, ayy, I hear, ayy. From the project where I started, baby girl, I grew up a hearted. Damn, let me get it from after the.
Kinda like the damn,
Yeah, I
though.
was gonna say, I thought that shit was in the song.
Bitch in the booth, but I'm not trying to walk in the booth while he's fucking already in there. That's what I'm saying. It's too late now.
Next session, we got one.
Next session. You got another one tonight? What time?
Later.
What time?
We'll find out.
You don't know yet?
7.
Oh, 7. Shit, we ain't too official. We got the whole website to tell us we're in.
That's how
And then you got another one? Or no, that's it.
it's a 2-hour episode.
Oh, he was lit on that Killers. I heard that shit all fucking day.
Shit was loud, bro. I fuck with the song, bro. I fuck with both of them. I ain't gonna lie, I think both of them good as hell.
Oh, that's no sound.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, you sound a little different type of shit. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Hell yeah.
it ain't the same. All right, session's over. We're about to go get some supplies for the studio, and then we're gonna come back and have another session at 7. So we'll catch you back up.
It's pressure, yeah, I keep that Mac tuck, that's my backup. My niggas do walk-ups, fuck a drive-by. Niggas tryna chit-chat.